I don't know if you have encountered this issue, but sometimes, some AirPods kind of keeps playing this white sound, white noise that maybe their microphone has a problem or whatever. The fix is really simple. Since I'm recording this on my phone and I want to record this using my iPhone's microphone, I haven't done this through this, but you can do this if you're connected to your AirPods right now. You can just go to your control center and click on this, and you have the options here, which I'm gonna explain it here. You're gonna The method 2 is just connect to your AirPod, and in your settings you're gonna click on your AirPod, and here we have the three options that we had in the control center. There's a high possibility that your AirPod is on transparency mode, which on this mode it keeps playing that sound. If you go to off, or maybe noise cancellation, but my option is it's just better to go on off because your AirPod gonna have more battery health. Yeah, on the off listening mode, you're gonna have no white sound, white noise. I had this issue for a couple of months, and I really like transparency mode. I use it all the time, but I didn't know that this was the issue, that my AirPod was keep playing that white noise. So I hope I have helped. Bye bye.